In one of my previous videos, I showed you guys how to turn off silent mode on your iPhone just by sending a message. Basically, if your phone is lost and on silent, you can still make it ring. But then someone asked me a really smart question. What if you could also get the exact location of your iPhone the same way? Well, yes, you can. And it's actually easier than you think. So imagine this. Your iPhone is lost somewhere. You have no idea where it is. Instead of just making it ring, you can make it send you its precise location automatically. Here is how to set it up. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Go to the Automation tab and tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new automation. Now scroll down and choose Message. Tap on it, and for Sender, you can leave it as any sender to make it more flexible. Then in Message Contains, type something like Send Location, then tap Done. Make sure you set it to run immediately, then tap Next. Now this is the important part. Tap Create New Shortcut. And in the search bar, type Get Current Location and select it. Then tap the search bar again and type Get Maps URL. Select that as well and leave it set to current location. Now again, tap Search Actions and type Send Message. When you select it, you'll see it says Send Maps URL to. Here you choose the contact you want the location to be sent to. You can even choose more than one person if you want. Once that's done, tap Next, then Done, and your automation is ready. One important thing, make sure your location services are turned on. Otherwise, this won't work. Now let's test it. Imagine your iPhone is lost. From another phone, you send a message that says Send Location. As soon as your iPhone receives that message, it automatically grabs its current location, turns it into a Maps link, and sends it to the contact you selected. You tap the link and boom, you can see exactly where your iPhone is. So, to the guy who asked this question, this is actually a super useful upgrade to the original trick. If you want more smart iPhone tricks like this, drop a comment and tell me what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.